Pinoy Bix.
Welcome to Pinoy Bex. Our problem for today is from EE Board Exam, October 1997. The problem states that there are 4 balls of different colors. 2 balls at a time are taken and arranged anyway. The question is, how many such combinations are possible? So mayroon tayong keyword na So we have 4 balls and 2 balls at a time and arrange in any way. So, ibig sabihin, in any order. So, this concept is belong to the principle of combination. So, combinations yung ang ating formula na gagamitin. First, so let us assign value. So, let n equivalent to the total number of arrangement or combination. Therefore, n so equivalent to n combination r. So equivalent, this formula is equivalent to n factorial divided by n minus r quantity factorial multiplied to r factorial. So therefore, so we have the total number of balls. So we have 4. So divided by 4 minus taken 2 at a time. 4 minus 2 factorial. Then multiply 2 factorial. So therefore 4 factorial over 2 factorial multiplied 2 factorial. So this is equivalent to, so we have 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 2 times 1 for this and 2 times 1. So equivalent to 24 over 4. So equivalent to 6 combination. So this is the answer for this kind of problem. And ang lagi lang tatandaan is kapag ang order ay hindi kailangan. So wala tayong particular na arrangement. So ang gagamitin nating formula is yung ating combination. So ayan. So NCR. So pwede mo naman siyang gamitin yung inyong calculator. So mag-input lang kayo ng so we have 4 combination 2. So ang lalabas na combination ay 6. So finalize lang natin yung sagot. So there are 6 possible combination. I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa aking video. So huwag kalilimutan na i-subscribe yung aking channel, Pinoy Bix Engineering. Para naman yung mga susunod kong video, masubaybayan ninyo. So again, thank you and have a nice day.
Pinoy Bix.